Hi there, Batavia. Firefighter John reporting from Fire Station 2 on the west side. Did you know that the Batavia Fire Department hosts an open house each year during Fire Prevention Week? That's right, and this year is no exception. Each year, the National Fire Protection Association and local fire departments support a special theme aimed at keeping residents safe. This year's theme is Not Every Hero Wears a Cape. Plan and practice your escape. Escape planning and practice can help you make the most of the time that you have, giving everyone enough time to get out of the house in case of a fire. Open house is a great opportunity for visitors to come see the fire station and visit with their firefighters. Some of the activities planned for this year include a kids firefighter obstacle course, extrication and pit crew CPR demonstrations, a firefighter fashion show featuring the different uniforms worn by members, a visit from Superior Air Ambulance's helicopter, learning about the 911 system, and a meet and greet with Batavia firefighters. If you're interested in coming to tour the station and see what the Batavia Fire Department has to offer, plan on visiting Station 2 on Sunday, October 6th, between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Fire Station 2 is located on the west side on Main Street, across from Batavia High School. For Batavia Fire, I'm Firefighter John, and I'll see you at Open House. Stay safe, Batavia.